Bella the bear woke up one bright morning and decided to explore the beautiful forest near her home. Along the way, she stumbled upon a bubbling brook.
B is for Brook.
Bella exclaimed with joy as she dipped her paws into the cool water. Feeling adventurous, Bella followed the brook deeper into the forest. Soon, she discovered a bustling beehive hanging from a branch. B is for beehive, Bella declared, marveling at the busy bees buzzing around. With a brave heart, Bella climbed up the tree to get a closer look. Suddenly, she spotted a brilliant butterfly fluttering by.
B is for butterfly.
Bella whispered in awe as she watched the colourful wings dance in the sunlight. Filled with excitement, Bella bounded through the forest, exploring all the wonders that began with the letter B. And as the day turned to dusk, Bella returned home with a heart full of adventure and a newfound appreciation for the beauty of the world around her.
Indeed, so many beautiful things start with the letter B. B is for bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. B is for brook. B-R-O-O-K. Brook. B is for butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. B is for ball. B-A-L-L. Ball.
Hey, little explorers. Thanks a ton for joining us today to learn all about the letter B. We're so happy you were here with us on this adventure through the alphabet. Stay safe and keep learning.
Please subscribe for more fun stuff like this. Thanks a bunch.